is it?
A place for my dollhouse.
What kind of place?
The bottom of the house.
It looks
like a garage to me. Is it not a garage? That's what you were.
Garage.
Okay.
It's a garage.
All right, Hudson.
Wait, Garrett, go ahead and open your other
open
present.
the big one.
Okay.
Just pick the box up, I think. You just pick the box up.
I think I know what it is. It's your dollhouse. It's your dollhouse in a box.
Oh, wait, hey, whoa, stop.
Okay, just lift the box
lift
up.
the box completely up. Lift it up.
Woo! It's your dollhouse, Garrett.
Hey, okay, you don't, hey, stop. It's okay.
Wow!
Now put your garage up there next to it. Turn it around.
Other way.
Turn it around, other way. And then it's open so your trucks can pull into the garage.
Hey, what stupid is?
Here, look at me.
What do you think?
What
Look
piece
at
of
me.
my backpack?
What do you think, Garrett? Is
Yeah.
that what you wanted?